Another day, another chance, another way, another dance. Today, I'll be discussing to you all about, I'll pretty much be going over my project with Baba. It's about, it's pretty much a T3 authentication app. So before I carry on, my navigator will be Baba. Should be my navigator, and yeah, she'll just be overlooking, pretty much the functionality of my project. So what I have here is before I go over my app, I'll just show you that I'm pretty much making use of my app from my portfolio. So I got my portfolio. So this is about me page. The, the about me the pretty much the contact page, the about me page, and then the work page. So that's pretty much my work and so on and so forth. And then yeah. So what I have here is a portfolio page in which I store my T3 feed app and my which is pretty much my final project and my tutorial, so which is bookstore app. So as you can see, I'm making use of my T3 feed app from here. So as soon as I press the button here, press it, then I'll be able to go into my T3 app. So the app, so what I actually did was I made use of T3. So T3 is pretty much the stack that I made use of, the full stack that I made use of. So in T3, what I used along with it was something called Clerk. So Clerk helped me set up a sign-in page with the options of using my Google account or my email. So I selected both. For my database, I made use of MongoDB Atlas, and in that, it's got two tables. So one table is called users. It's pretty much, for my sign-ins. When I'm signing in using a user, I've got a table that's responsible for storing all of my users. Then I've also got another table, along the lines of post. So post pretty much stores all the posts that I make on my social media esque app. So that's pretty much what I'm dealing with, right? So yeah, that's what I have. So without further ado, I'm using T3 and I store all of my tables, users, and posts on MongoDB Atlas. And I deployed my project into Vercel.com as a project. That's what I stored it as. So I pretty much use Vercel.com, and I found it to be much easier than Render because you can actually access your app without a sleeping time, so you can access it immediately. So without further ado, let's sign in to continue. So as you can see here, it says continue with Google or my email address. So this is a clerk.com. So this is secured by Clerk, development mode, and then yeah. And then if I don't have an account, I can sign up. So continue with Google, which I'm going to be making use of. So it's loading. Accounts, choose an account. I will need to continue with Clerk. So it's signing in now. You're signing back into Clerk. So obviously, it's the reason why I'm saying signing back into is because I already signed into Clerk using Google. So yeah, I'm going to do it again. So sign in to join the conversation, and then yeah, As you can see, I got my feed page. It's pretty much like Facebook, except it's one-ended. That means all the, all the posts that I make is from me and not from the other person. So I got one table, one for sign in and one for these posts. So users got my, it's pretty much got my email, and then posts has all of the messages that I sent. So as you can see here, you can see my previous posts. Right, one from 14 minutes ago just to check if it's working, and one others from like 13 and 15 years ago. So that's pretty much what I have here. So I've been cleaning my email and then sign out button. So just see if it's actually working. Let me type in a message. Hello Baba, how are you doing? I hope you are enjoying my CRUD final project presentation. Then yeah, and then post. And as you can see here, this is the this is the post that I made just a few seconds ago. As you can see, a few seconds ago. Hello Baba, how you doing? I hope you're enjoying my final project presentation. So you can either like the post or you can dislike it. It's up to you. Like it, dislike it. It's up to you. I mean, it's your choice. But if you want to, change, if you want to edit it, you can do so. From hello Baba, how you doing? Hope you enjoyed my final presentation to hello Baba, how you doing? Hope you enjoyed my final presentation. This is going to be worth the while. And then, press save. So obviously the functionalities we tampered with was create, which I did via post, read, which you can see when you scrolling up and down, my feed page, update, which I just did from taking my message from hello Baba, how you doing? Hope you enjoyed my final presentation to hello Baba, how you doing? Hope you enjoyed my final project presentation. This is going to be worth the while. So that was update. Now let's see delete. So as soon as I delete, there's going to be an alert that's going to be prompted, an alert function that's going to be prompted, which says T3 final project i6bb.fizzle.app says delete this post. So that's pretty much, the link URL of my project from Drizzle.com that Drizzle.com gave me. So it says delete this post, saying okay, and then yeah, it's been deleted. So as you can see, that message that you just saw has been deleted. The message that pretty much said hello Baba, and then if you want to show it to you again, I can do that. So it's the message that said hello just got deleted. So as you can see here, my CRUD functionality is on point here. Right, my CRUD functionality is on point. And then I just create this again, delete, deleted. Hello, and then that, create that. Hello, Baba, how you doing? I hope you enjoy my final presentation. This is going to be worth a while. Enjoy. So that's my editing.
Okay, all right, well done, Camilo. This is a brilliant project.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, you've got all the functionality. You've also deployed on Prisma. You can see your backend is working 100% with your database as well.
Yeah, thank
So
you.
well done, well done.
Really appreciate it. Yeah, these are from like 15 days ago. Yeah.
good. Yes, and I did enjoy the final presentation. Yeah, I did. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Baba. You're welcome. Yeah, thank you.
Great.
Thanks.
Yes, so you almost there. You've got it on your portfolio as well, so that's great.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you. Thanks.
If you just have everything, if you have everything rather uploaded on your Get Certified where you update Navigator,
Yes.
and then you just upload it on YouTube, your GitHub repository, submit on Google Classroom, then you're done.
Right, no problem. Okay, I'll do that now. I'll do that.
Okay, great.
No problem.
Okay, have a good afternoon, Kabalo. I'll see you tomorrow.
You too, Baba. You too. Thank you.
Right,
Thanks.
bye bye. Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye. Thank you.